Hello guys, this is Deborah, Espresso Portuguese. Just a few sentences, very quick tips to help you in your journey to learn Portuguese. Okay, let's do it. The very important sentence that you should start speaking right now is when someone is speaking to you and you don't understand. So you need to say, could you speak a bit slower, please? So you would say, você poderia falar pouco mais devagar? So it's a very nice way of saying that you're not understanding what the person is saying, right? So, você poderia falar pouco mais devagar? Another situation that is pretty common, that the person is speaking and you don't understand, so can you repeat please? Would you repeat please? Você pode repetir, por favor? Você poderia repetir, por favor? Maybe you can be talking to someone, you can
be talking to the person and
you can be talking to the person and you don't really understand, and you would rather read what the person is saying. So you could say, você poderia escrever para mim? So instead of just listening, maybe if the person is writing, it would be easier for you. So you could say, você poderia escrever para mim? Maybe the person is speaking slower or is repeating, but you are not understanding. So you can say, sorry, I don't understand. You would say, desculpa, eu não estou entendendo. Desculpa, não estou entendendo. So it's a way the person can speak that again or speak in another way. Try to talk to you using different vocabulary, right? Another important sentence. What does that mean? So you are in a context that someone is speaking and you don't really understand the meaning. So you can say, o que isso significa? Mas e o que isso significa? Right? And then maybe the person is explaining, you understand what the person is saying, and then you can say, it makes sense. So you would say, faz sentido. Ah, ok, faz sentido. Ou simplesmente, entendi. Entendi. In another situation, maybe the person is explaining something to you, and then you can just say, really? Don't think this is possible? You can say, really? And then you can, in Portuguese, you would say, sério? Nossa, verdade? This is a way of saying, really? You know, maybe someone has just explained something to you, and then you can say, just trying to see if you get it right. So you can say, deixa eu ver se eu entendi. It's kind of saying, so let me see if I get that. Let me see if I understand. Deixa eu ver se eu entendi. You want to ask how to say something. So how do I say? So in Portuguese you can say, como se diz? Como se diz? How do I say apple? Como se diz maçã? Okay? Maybe someone just taught you something or you just learned something by yourself and you want to check. So you want to say, is that right? You can say, isso está certo? Isso está certo? Sometimes you can be in a situation that you can't find the exact word for what you intend to say, but you can try to get out of it saying, what's the contrary of, because maybe you don't know exactly the word you're looking for, but you know a noun, and you can say, what's the contrary of, let's say, white? What's the contrary of white? So you can say, qual o contrário de... Qual o contrário de branco? What's the contrary of white? So it's a way of trying to find out the name of something that you can't remember, but you remember the opposite, right? I think it helps. Maybe you can't be in a situation that you are speaking to someone and you can't hear the person properly. So you can say, I can't hear you. In Portuguese, you would say, eu não tô te ouvindo. So the person can speak louder, maybe, if that's the case. Eu não tô te ouvindo. Maybe you are talking to the person via Skype or WhatsApp or whatever, and you can't see the person properly. So you can say, in Portuguese, a way of saying I can't see you, you would say, eu não consigo te ver. Okay?
That's it for today, guys. Please subscribe to the channel and see the links in the description for more content for you. Bye bye.